This is a side of England far from the madness of London, and it's very, very beautiful. You can relax, have a cold brew, and really get to know the locals. Our destination is less than a mile away at the Sharnbrook Hotel for our Cars and Coffee event in Bedfordshire. Meet the CEO and true petrolhead, Ciro Ciampi.
2006 we opened, and in 2007 I held my first car show, the Italian Car and Bike Day. That was a small gathering of 50 people. And from that event onwards, we had 2 or 3 Italian car days, and the Scharnbrook started becoming a mecca for car events and people, petrolheads, just generally. So for me, it was about diversifying from conferences and bringing in people from different walks of life, different demographic. The more people we can bring in with nice cars, supercars, classic cars, vintage cars, the better it is for me.
We're here in England at the Sharnbrook Hotel for their version of Cars and Coffee. We have Lamborghinis, exotic supercars. I mean, we got a lot of cool stuff. Let's go take a look at it.
Every hypercar is a supercar, but not every supercar is a hypercar. The hypercars are like the 1% creme de la creme of all cars. It's a different league in terms of money. It's a different league in terms of brake horsepower. It's a different league of luxury. Every design house has that 1% upper quartile that they make these cars that are just for the billionaires out there.
There are a lot of cars out here, but the La Ferrari is definitely the Mac Daddy. It's got a V12 6.3 liter that screams at 9,000 RPM. This thing puts out somewhere around 900 horsepower, and it's not cheap. But my man Nick here, well, he enjoys his ride. Nick, how do you like having a car like this?
I think my friends say to me that I found the Holy Grail. I think it might be the way it drives. It's amazing.
So we're bringing out all the supercars and the hypercars, but we're adding in another twist. It's for charity. So here today we're raising money for Rays of Sunshine Children's Charity in London. We aim to raise over £10,000 in one day, and that's huge. That's the biggest day we've ever had.
Now tell us a little bit how this all got started, because there's a special story that involves a special little girl.
That's right. Her name was Amelia, and she had a very specific wish. It was to be driven in a pink Lamborghini at high speed by Richard Hammond off Top Gear, so it was very special.
Requesting clearance for takeoff.
Requesting clearance for takeoff.
On 27.
On 27.
You may proceed down runway 27.
Rolling now. Wow, well, you did it! You actually asked for takeoff. You star. That's fantastic. You ready? We're going to speed up. Oh, it's very, very fast indeed. Let's put this on gentle. Give him a wave. That is pretty quick, isn't it? That is one quick car. Oh, look. Oh, there you go.
Hearty congratulations to Rays of Sunshine for organising yet another wonderful, unique, special occasion for somebody who really deserves it. So to have wandered in as a bit player and made my little contribution to clearly quite a big event, that's congratulations to them.
Today has been absolutely ridiculous, and it's beaten our wildest dreams. We've raised £26,200 for Rays of Sunshine Children's Charity. Completely blown any expectation out of the water, and completely humbled by everybody's generosity out there today. We're going to do 2 things today. You're going to make pizza, and we're going to deliver them in a supercar. Gannon, join me. We're in the beating heart of the Sharnbrook Hotel. This is the engine room, and we're in the pizza section. Okay. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready, man.
I'm going to introduce you to Gennaro. He's our Neapolitan pizza chef. He's been in the UK for about 10 years.
Okay.
He's been making pizzas since he was a kid. He's going to teach you how to make pizzas. We're going to jump in the R8, blast over there, because we need to be there in 20 minutes.
Do they know that I'm making them?
We haven't told him that yet.
Let's do this, man. I can do this. I ain't scared.
Una pizza subito, come fosse sabato sera all'8 e ti scende pizza fa. Yeah. Ciro Special, vai, fammi vedere. You watching this, man?
Oh, wow.
Here we go, look. Tomato goes on.
Oh, man.
So the Ciro Special is our famous pizza here. It's named after me.
I had it already.
Pepperoni, sausage, salami, ham. You enjoyed it?
It's good, yes.
I'm gonna make you try your own pizza today. Tell me if it's as good.
This guy's a machine.
You need to jump out of the way. Go.
Oh, really? I do. Whoa.
I have no faith right now. Let me see you do this.
I saved it.
Okay.
I saved it. I saved it. I don't think I get a job here. Oh. Beautiful. Mwah. Mwah.
Man,
that's what's
we're
up.
gonna leave it up to Jimmy and the guys. All right, let's get his pizzas up in this R8.
It's all right.
Normal day on the job, right?
You got it?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
I'll hold it, I guess.
This is one of the things about supercars. Getting the pizzas in the bonnet doesn't quite work. Right. Gannon, jump in.
Is this a how-to on supercar pizza technology?
This is what it's about.
All right, man. I won't tell you the speeds that we were hitting, but let's just say this, the camera crew couldn't keep up. It took them most of the delivery just to find this Audi R8. But the main job was to deliver my own Gannon special pizza, and that's what I did.
The Gannon Ciro special pizza.
It's not bad, right?
Okay.
Good effort.
Does anybody want to taste it?
Man, it's been an awesome day here at the Sharnbrook Hotel for Cars and Coffee. Big thanks to Ciro and everybody that helped make this thing possible. Raised a lot of money. We had a chance to hang out with some great people and, well, see a lot of really cool cars.